When they hate you, gotta give them a headache. When they hate you, gotta give them a headache. When they hate you, gotta give them a headache, girl. Let them hurt. You're old, but your body not cold, girl. Beauty's in the eyes of the beholder. Why, tell me why, it's not the end of the world. When they up on and come in now, man, someone they get blocked, can't come back. Water order, very disrespectful. Come on, somebody picture disrespect him for no reason, you know. How long are you gonna put up with that shit? I'm back. I was gonna come back on, but I was like, you know what? One of the things I'm afraid of them and I'm run off of this. So I'm sure I'm afraid of. I can't sleep till hours tomorrow. I can work for myself. So I feel like I'll be at 5 o'clock. I can do that. I work for myself. And they eat them still up. What time could I come? Gosh. When it's still up, baby. Lord. And I really love when I live it. Do I want to get to one? I love when I hear. I love when I buy the cars. No matter what. When I still come. Yeah. They eat them still come. Boy. Yeah, you know, you've always been different, you know, you change all the time, change up on them, you know, the haters. You have to make them say, you know, I live like what them think you live. You have to make them say, you know, I live like what them mind I tell them. They mind I tell them wrong. So, beautiful. I know I gotta tighten up more, but it takes time, you know. Just start working out again, it takes a good time. You know, never stress about implant, it's natural. You know, nothing fake about it, it's real. So, cause it's real, you know, I gotta work out, tighten up all this place, gotta tighten up. You know, it's real, it's not fake, there's nothing fake about it. Yeah. And so on. Yeah. I love you too. It like get troublesome, man. The light I give me trouble tonight, man. I bet. You're mad, but I like it. I like it. You're mad, but I like it. Some of them say me crazy, me gone in the range, and I realize I'm a comedian in America. Then I realize me don't get boss. Then I realize me don't get famous. It upon them. They want to say me mad and discourage me after what me I do. Because them are famous, so nobody now view them. And without Oliver, thank God, Oliver on a friend, we're going to get a look at 5,000 friends. Thank God to Oliver on a friend. On the add on the camera, we're going to look at friend and go like on a big no. Yes, that's what Oliver. Boy, you couldn't do. Ungrateful crablos by your front. Ungrateful crablos by your front. I don't care, I'm back. And so what? What you gonna do, oh Jack, Mark? I don't give a damn if you don't like. God is gonna keep me tonight. I'm gonna be here, boo, you too. Eat donkey doo-doo, boo, you do. Oh God, thank you for the love and the joy in my heart. Last year I couldn't laugh like that when the bugs and the rat was fighting me. Bugs and the chinka bite me. We never happy so when the chinka bite me. Nobody never ate me so when the chinka bite me. Nobody never ate me so when the rat bite me. Nobody never ate me so when me smell like old chimney. Nobody never ate me so now me can bleed and clean up. Fresh clothes, everything sweet up. Bad man in the heart and not a bone up. Me a comedian and me don't start. Me famous, yeah. Me famous a Canada, Jamaica, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, Cayman Island. You better hear that. Me famous down a Guyana. Me famous down a Trinidad. Me famous over East, West, North and South Brazil. Me famous in a New York City. Me famous in a Bronx. Me famous in a Manhattan. Me famous in a Queens. Me famous in a New Jersey and Staten Island and Connecticut and all those places. All the way Texas, Dallas, Texas, me famous. All the way Florida, me famous. When something take a lot of we tell them, no, we work hard to get to us. A long time we come out, that's how we stay. So who never know, forget out how we wake up, that's how we stay. That's how we come on, that's how we was. Long time, that's how we stay. I thank God for what I am. I thank God if God didn't make me ugly. And even uglier, it helped me in life. It helped me that I don't have to prostitute, I don't have to catch man, I don't have to steal, I don't have to lie and be ungrateful and be a liar. I can live in this world as a reasonable human being. First of all, if a guy don't like me, it's okay. And if you think that you want to curse me out in whatever language you want to curse me out in, because some of them act like, they don't speak different language, and then they speak different language and make a fake profile and come to curse you because they can't get to lie up with you, you know what I mean? So you have to understand, hate come from family. I have family who hate me and despise me. Well, if my woman don't like me, well, you know that. I have sisters who don't like me. I have brother who don't like me. I have cousins who don't like me. I have people on the road, I send my cream and sitting them to watch us all time, my jewelry and pay me, I know. Them still not gonna like me. So, I understand. And I accept it. You don't like me, now do me nothing. That's your burden to carry on your chest. Not me. I'm going through God's word. I'm still eating. I'm good. So, it doesn't matter. Because when I go through the hard time, I can't even change my clothes. Nobody never that ate me. Oh, so now I can bathe and brush my teeth and go buy my toothpaste and my Listerine and I sit down and watch a little cable I want and, try to breathe for once in my life. Me nearly dead. After all that struggling me go through, man, I kick me off and then bed reach up in a board up all boat and I still go up on the road and set up my cart. Push it up Utica Avenue, bandage it up, big old shopping cart from the supermarket. Put all the jewelry in a suitcase, 1, 2, 3, big bag and tie them with a rope. Tie up the table and pan it, looking high up so higher than me like a house me I move. And get behind it and shove it up the hill. And self-make my money. And it was hard. Sometimes I can survive a winter time. I'm in the sugar daddy business. That's why I clear my way and go. I don't care what him want that about me say. The other day, I'm free with God. And I'm not going to live under no man. And no man bandage because them want me feeling with them. That mean I should. No. You know what you want and who you want and what your life you want your life to be. And you shouldn't be forced nor shoved, or to be blackmailed or to be put down by others because they simply can't use you because when they're using you, they don't complain about you. When they're using you, everything is fine. But the minute they can't use you, they become your worst enemy. Your worst enemy. And they will say nasty things about you. You will meet a man and him have the dirtiest place you ever see. And you will go there and you will clean it up. Right? And he will halfway clean up or whatever clean up. If I realize the same man will walk out and say, well, I'm going to dirty and you don't take my place. Don't realize, say, damn, I'm the cleanest you ever been in a while. So you have different kind of people when they can't be with you, they will go out in the public and say nasty thing about you because they can't harass you personally. They can't say shit to you personally like that because you already let them know so you're not in that straight. So the only thing left if they can harass you face to face is to go on social media, make a fake profile and go on it and start harassing you and say nasty things about you. Because they're trying to break you down that you will need them. They're going to say, look, you're crazy, she's mental, she's this, she's that, But if you don't open your leg, they wouldn't be saying that. You wouldn't hear that from the ass's mouth, No, if you like open, you wouldn't hear that. But as long as your leg not over, you say you're crazy. You're in the rain. Something is wrong with your brain. They're going to talk all kind of stuff to anybody that would listen to them because they're so obsessed and they want what they want and they can't do it. So they go out and they will have this conversation with people and tell them, I know those kind of people out there is. Trust me. I've run into a couple of them well in my life before. And they will go out and tell somebody something is wrong with her. When they realize the woman sensible, weird man. Sensible. And that's why she's not allowing herself to be used. So the best thing to do now is to go and make a fake profile and say all these nasty things about her. Let me do that. You know? I can do that and say nasty things about her because I'm not getting my way and I want to destroy her. I want to destroy the foundation that she built. If she's on Facebook, like the woman that live in here, a lot of nasty things that people come and say there about me and here. And the woman that used to live in here, because she been stalking me, she never gonna stop. The first year she find out my name by somebody send a package here, come give me. Like less than 10 minutes later, letter was on my door, harassing me. She's really harassed. She called police so much time, so she's the one that come and making profile all the time and also coming on here. You know? And doing this thing and sending all these guys and all these people over here. So, you know, so that's what happened. Yeah. Trying to destroy your foundation. Yeah. Yeah. You're trying to destroy your foundation. You know, that's how people are, you know. You build something and they can't be you. They hate you so much, they want to destroy what you have. And some of them, they sit around and you're stuff until they get a couple number of people. And after they get a couple number, they feel like they're high and they sky now. They don't need you. Let me destroy her. Because she's still doing good. You know? I'm not satisfied with what I get. I hate that bitch. I want to destroy her. A lot of people think like that. But at the end of the day, I got to remember, this is just a little thing of life that you go through. It's not that serious. And if you want to be that way, what goes around comes around. It's very simple. You know what I'm saying? I love life and I love people. And that's the bottom line. I get is. All over the world, people love me. I can't walk outside without somebody stop me. Anywhere me go. Anywhere me go. You understand me? I go out there dress up all the time and all this kind of stuff all the time. Because the sun out the door, I don't have no makeup and I don't have no makeup. If I look dark, I can be in the sun a lot. No makeup, nothing. Because I have a suntan. You understand me? And don't do what I have to do all the time, you know? You know, sometimes I feel like, come on. But I'm going to be myself. God give me a gift to talk, to give jokes, to sing. And I'm going to continue. I am not going to make no lousy ass man that want to get between my legs, try to destroy me, or whosoever want to say bad about me because I'm not up to what they're up to. It doesn't matter. The end of the day, I want to be happy. And I want to be happy with myself, and that's what I'm doing. And no one's going to stop me from being happy. Simple and fine. So, this is also beautiful. And this one is also a piece that I never wore before. It's a beautiful piece. So the whole idea of like when you go shopping also, remember when you buy things like these, not just buy things like these, but remember to buy the one piece, like a bodysuit, the lace, white bodysuit, I like white. So like a lace, it's a one piece, like a panty and a piece in one, and you can put that on, see? And then you can put this on over it. So all that space that open in the front right here, it will be covered up. So remember to get your one pieces. Also, when you buy certain clothes, make sure you have a lot of these. I have a couple of whites and I got black also. And a couple of different design whites. Yeah, so, yeah. So you just put it on and then you just put this on. So, you know, everything already covered because it's a one piece. See? It's a one piece and it's flat, it's smooth here. So you don't have to have the underwear stop right here, stuck into your gut already and make it look bigger than what it is. Just put the one piece on. You can still put on your bra and then you just slip into the jumper. If the front is open like this. If the front is not open like this, you don't need to put on this. Only if the front is open like that. You can also wear this and wear like a skirt. If you're a person like to wear a skirt, and if you like to wear short blouse, it's a good idea to wear a piece like this. So when you tie the shortness of the blouse wherever it stops, it covers right here your stomach to your skirt or your pants, whatever you reach. I wear them different ways, right? So yeah, I'm here to stay. You know, I love God, I love people, and you know, y'all is not gonna stop me because you're 8. Find some love, find some peace in your heart. Just find something to do with your time. I'm a comedian. I'm supposed to be crazy. I'm a comedian. You ever seen them crazy comedian in BET? Or anywhere in Broadway? Do you ever see any crazy things? People doing show? When you watch TV and you watch a movie, isn't it crazy? That keep your mind interested, that keep you watching it. Why you want to watch it? So why you want me to be dull? Why you don't want me to be what I gotta be? And why would I be what I have to be? You're watching me and you know that I'm the kind of person, I'm popular all over the world, but you still complain about me. Look at my makeup, look at my hair. I never tell you I want to be a beauty queen, and I never told her that I'm a makeup artist. My makeup is my comedian thing. I love it when I do my comedian, do my makeup like this. It don't have to be perfect. I'm not wearing it to be pretty. I'm wearing it because it's just a thing that goes with it, the old costume. That's why when I go outside, most of the time you see me, I don't have it on. I don't have no makeup on. I go in public up and down without no makeup on. Most of the time. So what that tells you? I'm putting on to be beautiful. Well, why wouldn't I put it on all the time, and why would I go on 4 places without it on? Right? That should tell you something. But some of y'all dumb. Y'all got the wrong thing in the throat that get up in your brain, and you just don't understand. When you all spending money for cable, you all don't complain. When you all watching a movie, spend money on the movie, you don't complain. But no, when a black sister that's not picking cotton, and I mean your mama, your grandmama, your ancestors used to pick cotton, they never have no freedom. And you have social media here for everyone to do their thing. And you're gonna come over here after I let you get a couple of friends because you're gonna get no friends and help you to 5,000. You feel like you're on top now. You're a superstar. So you wanna put me down. But remember, what goes around comes around. A lot of y'all say y'all friends, you never share a video for me. But you're still on my timeline. You're still in my box. Want to be an hypocrite, want to be a hater, but you're still hanging on. If you don't like me, why don't you just delete yourself? Why the sense you keep hanging on and sending hate and sending people to curse me? And you're still hanging on as a friend. Get the hell off and go. Delete yourself, not be my friend. Friends are friends, you know. You know, I don't beg friend from nobody. But if you're my friend, you are my friend. Simple and clear. Don't act like you're a friend and then you're not. Be a hypocrite. And that's it, I know that hypocrite, that don't define me. Because I know y'all know that I'm stronger than that. I've been through the worst thing in my life. You know, I've been through to death in my life, been strangled almost to death. I've been raped more than once by family, by stranger, with rope, put the thing on my neck, strangle, almost kill me. I end up again running for my life, this guy kidnapped me, you know. I end up drinking alcohol, I was 75 pounds, hit rock bottom, ready to die, you know. And God, the one that gave me life. I was here for a purpose. God never let me down. And I never planned to be popular. I just wake up one day and I was. It's not like I was get up and just doing things to be popular like some people kill themselves. It wasn't a thing. It was simple, just eating a plate of food and talking. Simple video by just taking a couple of spoonful of food and eat a piece of chicken, and next thing I know I was famous. Some celebrities saw it and shared it on the timeline. People find it was funny. God bless the girl who did it. And people just start liking me from there on. People wasn't not hating me a lot until lately. They started hate. It's like when people realized, you know, they couldn't have me the way they want me. You know, like when they go in and use other bloggers and shit to use you to do this, use you to do that, and have you running behind them up and down and all this mix up and blend. I stay far from them things. So people is not going to like me because I stay far from it. Because I know when the time comes just now, for me to make that move that I'm going to make, it's going to be a great move. And I know I'm talented. I can sing songs and I can write and I can do religious music also. Like I see, I do a lot. So it's not like I'm a waste of time or I can't do stuff. I see people go in the studio all day, a lot of people, a lot of time, killing themselves to make a song, which I can just give me a rhythm and I can make a song right up my head right there and then. You know? God gave me that for a purpose. God put me here for a purpose. You know? Living life at the end of the day when we get off the social media, put on this phone and we get off Facebook and we get off YouTube and we get off all the mix up and blend. And you lie down in your bed. Sometimes if you don't have God, you're lost. Because there's so much things happening in the world. There's so much things you're using your eyes to see. Sometimes you don't realize how fast the time is going. You've been watching this, you've been watching that, and your head could be mixed up with this thing of earth all day that you don't even have time to pray or to realize how stuff in your life is going. So some people can be real caught up and miserable at this point that they don't even know how to like nobody because they're so caught up at this point they have to hate you. They don't know, understand how you do it. How you do it? When I'm ready, I put the phone down. I cook my food. I eat my food. If I want to watch something on YouTube, a movie or something on the TV, after that, I lock it off. I put them away. I pray to God. And I go to my bed. Leave that alone. Left everything. I'm not going to lie in the bed going through this and now. Lock, put it aside. I'm done with that. If you have the phone a lot in your ears is going to hurt you. A lot. Your hands is going to hurt you like arthritis. If you have it a lot in your hands, you're going to find yourself hurting your hands. You wonder why your hand hurting so much is the phone that you have in your hand. All the weighing around your place start hurting real bad. All your wrists hurting real bad from the phone. You know what I mean? So remember what I tell you. When I eat my food yet, so go warm up here and eat. I'm just come back by you to address them. To make them know, so they're not going to stop me. No man is going to come and spread me out and do as them like with me. My body is a temple of God. And as much as I want man, I say I don't want man enough. One man want dry piece, want water right now. Boy, guess what? I love God. And I respect myself. When I go out the light and go, you know, especially God that try help me. You know? You see what on the road, I still all them jewelry for the whole day. On the roadside, stand up, everybody will know me, no one show me attack. Every day. One day I go up and say the sun strike me, I'm nearly dead. One night I come in and I done sell to rotted and come in, I tell you. I couldn't even eat my dinner. Sell Vinci boy, I get some ice out of the fridge and make one big sitting of juice and drink. And I cut off the jug halfway and I couldn't even eat my dinner. Sun strike me. Nearly kill me. Stand up out of the sun and try to make a dollar, try to make a money. You know? Always I try to do something for myself. Everybody know that. Anybody know me at the hairdressing place when I'm in place to walk and sell me creamy jewelry. I always a hustle. Then you can't say, let me eat me and a man me that catch. I always a hustle. That's one thing I tell you. But I'm a different person. People put me through so much that I not too trust people like, you know? I not too trust them. Especially if somebody show me bad face and you come back and show me good face, I not too trust you. I not too trust you. Because you once you go bad with me and show me bad face and you come back to me and be all nice and nice, me feel like that's something you want, something you're after. Because you deal with me at first and you want to come back and be real nice. You know what I mean? Them things that I look into. You see me? Sometimes you have to analyze things, you know. Analyze is analyze. When everything is like reality. You talk to somebody, you do something and them attack and a reason to say something with you. Right away your brain catch it and record it. After your brain catch it and record it, some people are disrespect you in the most way and do some things to you, my girl. And my youth. I say when you find out and when you go home, you know. Sometimes you have to hold a little med my youth and just analyze. You go back and rewind everything. What the person that said to you. Or like a movement where you see and put two together and say, wait a minute, whoa. Nigga ain't good, man, nigga. You know what I mean? But sometimes you have, if you don't analyze things, it slip you. Your enemy can come to kill you, you know. And when the enemy come to kill you, For some reason, when you show up on the spot for come kill you, in your yard, or your business place, or whatever. When they come kill you, somebody where you know, right? But when they come kill you now, the plan of them make now, they come book up on other people in your house and people in your surrounding. They couldn't kill you. You see me? Because my plan for come book you now and just take you out, but when they realize now, they couldn't kill you. Because the Holy Spirit protect you. You see, when they come, they know for come kill you and they couldn't kill you, what do you think they're going to do? They won't act like they're mad with you? No, they won't smell you, brother. You want my check, me come check you and where, want to go and drink something. You see me? Because they can't do what they want to do no more. But they now act like I show you so they're mad. They won't act like they are your friend. They won't drink with you and they won't eat with you. They won't sleep with you. They won't wake up with you. But are your enemy? The only man you can trust is God. And the only way you can trust your man if your man trusts God. And the only way you can trust your woman if she trusts God. Because if your woman not trust God, you can't trust her. And if the man not trust God and have faith in God, you can't trust him. Because the devil are going to use him and the devil are going to use her. So you have to find somebody who really have trust in God. That means you have to get up and go to church every Sunday morning. No. Not go so. You don't have to get up and go to church on Sunday morning. I lie that. Remember me tell you that. I used to believe so. I used to do it. And I realized that God not a lot no part to do with certain places and forces. And God not a lot no part to do with certain big churches. Because they're all about money from the poor people. And they live big. They have helicopters and apartments and people homeless in the street. Don't even have a meal. But you have the most church. Everywhere you go, you see 2, 3 blocks and 1 block church everywhere. And if you want me, can't find a rent, you can't go up in the church and say, boy, we can't find a rent, you know. And we'll put you out of courthouse if they come and pay it. That should be something that you can walk in any church and get done, especially have so much church. And that's why I don't put my trust in nobody but God. Because when I go to the church go pray, I want to pray in my house, God will hear me. And if my soul is sincere with God, God is going to forgive me and He's going to give me the strength and He's going to give me the faith and He's going to knock out all the bad tastes and bad things that me do. I won't have the taste for them no more. Like, I don't have a taste for go to bars. I don't drink alcohol from 2001. I don't smoke cigarette. I don't hang out in a people's house. I don't up and down the street and look for man and all them things there. I don't mix up with girl and got them house. I don't my house. I don't say me and bury there so. I talk to Jay with the business. Get me thing them ship out and what I have to do. Otherwise, I lock my door, see, they lock, nobody bother me. Nobody come in here and bother me. I live a clean life. A respectable life. That is something I really wanted to live all along. I don't have to wake up and worry about man come between my leg and I don't want him come between my leg because that's something I want. That's not how I want to live as a woman. That's not the way I want to die, at least. Because if you live like that on up and block club every night time, up and down and shout it and say which man I can pick up today and which one I can pick up, you are doomed. I am not a Christian, I'm a sinner, but you are doomed. Because the ones that you are picking up, they're actually spirits. They're Satan, they're satanic. You're not finding somebody who's seeking the Lord to put your soul with, somebody who can bring you into goodness. Even say you're not in a goodness and in a goodness and you fall in love with him and he bring you into the goodness of the Lord. Or you bring him in. If you're willing to, you make life. But otherwise, somebody turn up and down the street and you don't have nowhere going. It have nothing going. These are the last days. It's not like back in the days, like way back when all things was different. All the business places them are closed down. People can't afford to pay the rent. All the Flatbush, all kind of place closed down. All boat them are closed down. And the more them are closed down because the rent so high, the people can't afford it. Them still building more building and building more building. Is it like when God confused the man who are building, we up and go up and God confused them. So I see people speak Spanish and different language and couldn't even understand if pass nail, pass hammer, can't pass this, start speak different language. You see what I mean? Life is to live and to enjoy. And when you're drinking alcohol, and a lot of you become a junkie or whatever, sometimes it's sadness to people like that. Because you remember once when you used to drink a lot, and them really lost and like really far. That's the time the Satan can really possess your body. You see, it's hard for demons possess your body when you're like really knowledgeable with God and pray. And you can feel a demon attack or come on, or you can actually feel the spirit or something alright. people come amongst you, you can just know, say they're not right. You don't have to ask them nothing. You see, those are the instincts you have to have, that kind of feeling you have to have. Because regardless at the end of the day, you know, it will come to a time if you're not dead, you know. And who's still alive when God come? A lot of things are going to take place on earth, you know. Don't wait for the appointed time to believe in something or believe in the Almighty. Don't wait for the last minute. If you say, boy, you know, many people must have died. On Facebook, many people, I mean, many. Gone. You understand me? Love life on earth. But cook your food and enjoy your food. Enjoy your children, them. Raise them up right. You know? Stop drinking this whole for alcohol and beer and don't give the kids them any beer if you drink. Because some of the big people have a way of giving kids beer to drink. You know, like I tell you, I was dating this guy named Ricky in Spanish Town, and he had a little baby boy. A little sonny boy, I couldn't even talk, and little boy small so. And he wanted to be like his dad, and he tried to drive the car and put him like a self up to make him stand up on his leg. And he passed him a big spliff. If you see the big spliff with the little boy, a puff and a smoke. And him want it. When the father say, nah, if you don't do this, you're not getting on him, do it real quick. You know what I mean? Grow your children them right. You can't have your children do wrong and you're telling you go and fight for them. And say why teacher talking to them like that, why they say, you know, you grow your children them wrong. You grow your children them wrong, it's just a point of time for you to get your ass whipped by your children. You grow your children wrong. Some of y'all women get your children and got your children to fight other people's children. Before you're part of fight, you send them to fight. You know? You're a pole with the slapness. And then when your children go and fight and kill the next children, you saw them on YouTube crying, they go into prison for 25 years. 25 years. Young girls and young boys going for. Because they used to walk and punch and smack down and stab and all them things. And post it on Facebook. And you don't see that this is the end of the world coming. That's a part of end of the world. That's another sign. Children is against children, parents against children. It's going to be war and rumors of war. Brimstone and fire. You could have act like biscuit. You could have Chris like war. You could have the prettiest and the biggest body and the prettiest face. You can't say nothing to brimstone and fire. So who want to hate me? I'm a woman who is a sinner. But a woman who also acknowledge God and know that we have to clean up and seek His refuge so He can give me strength. Because it's going to be a day when you're going to need that strength. You're going to need something to lean upon. Because your knees will become weak. And your mouth would never able to speak. Because you will be so shocked and shattered. You must be ready. You must be ready. Yes, you must be ready. Don't be afraid because you're a sinner and feel that God now give you a chance. Not go so, I give you a chance. Because you acknowledge Him. Once you believe, and trust me, you don't have to change nothing. I never stopped drinking and never stopped doing all what I gotta do. But God changed me in time. Now look at herb, me take like a sense more time and that's my thing. That a regular thing, and that was on Solomon's grave. So that is cool with me. Until God take that from me. Right? I love you guys. Be free to be thick and sexy. I remember look at Tommy, still look good. And God is great. And you know, I just want to keep that in mind because I don't want to come in here and get off and not saying it and feel guilty and feel like, what the hell, I don't want to feel like that. I want to feel good in the middle of my bed and it's like, yeah. Remind people about God, yeah. Just like I'm tell my son, pray, yeah. You know, because we live in a time right now that we need that. And the end of the day, goodie, when we all marching in glory, that is our destiny. You know, if you go baptize and run for kill yourself, you say you're a Christian and force ripe it, don't force ripe it. Left yourself just the way he is and pray. And if God is going to deal with you, Him deal with you Himself. Him wash you clean. Trust me. Me not baptized yet. Me Never forced to talk about God. I can't force to talk about it. It just happened for no reason. And I'm good. That's good for me to express myself the way I feel. I'm not crazy, but when I sit and think about this body that you have, and it only could last for so long, and after that you're going to move on, why not enjoy your life? But enjoy your life in a good way. That'll bring you good energy, good vibes. You with your nice wife, your children, them cooking food in your house, enjoying yourself in your own house. You know? Stop drinking this ultra alcohol where you can't think straight. Right out your inside is poisoning you. Imagine you have your inside raw meat and every day you take a bag of alcohol and chew. And I chew up on the raw meat and I chew in it, rawness, and I scotch it and I chew it in there. And take the strong thing and I chew it in there. You don't want to live anymore. You want to die. Because if you're going to take a thing that's could poison you, because I've been alcohol poison, I got to get drip and all that before, so I know what I'm saying. And doing that every day to yourself. When would you live your life to enjoy your wife or your husband? Or when would you live your life to enjoy your money that you work hard for, your pension? You're going to die and leave it. What you work hard for, because you should have taken the money and make some fresh juice. Natural juice. You want to make some shake, you go and make some shake. You get your strawberry, you get your milk or whatever you want. Make a shake, your nuts. You make your stuff that way you enjoy and eat your money and pray. You take your money, spend on so much alcohol, your body start to get mayu shishan. You're not enough nutriment in your system. You start to dry up, you start to get wrinkled. You start to look like Satan, because Satan drink. It make you look uglier. You want to drink sometime, you go out in a bar, you go out, go drink. And you look pretty and look nice. And after you drink, you get ugly, your face swell up all your eye. Sometimes when you get drunk, you come in your house, you look by your face look ugly down. You look like a monster, you're like, whoa. You know, that's not how I looked before, you know. But that's what happened. Alcohol will do that to you. Some people drink a little wine once in a while, it's okay. But to drink alcohol like this every single day, it's not good for you. Trust me, it's not. So, I love you and so on. I know, but you know, I'm strong and, you know, I'm strong and, you know, I believe in God. Okay, so this one, I wonder if this thing is going to pop out if I step on it and if it's strong enough. So this was the slows. Ow! I want to fall. I shouldn't take the other one out because I could stand on the other one, but this is a problem. I'm scared it's going to bust in the middle if I stand in the middle. I'm not sure. I can't stand good on this. Can you see Goody? Beautiful. Them bad men, but if you realize in the closet big. Oh gosh. If you realize all of the closet big, baby. This not smell like old rat, this smell clean. This not smell like old rat at all, a natural body this. It's not implant. Or them fake, we call it cement bottom. This is not cement bottom, honey. This is not the cement syringe just someone to take on a hard and feel like cement. This is natural. This is not cement. Hello? This is not cement, baby. And I thank God for it because God gave me this. God blessed me with this beautiful body. And I could look better. But like I said, I will look better as time goes because, you know, like I said, you know my age. As some people say I'm 44, I'm 43. I think I'm 44. But anyway, God still blessed me at this age. Living in this country for so long and you know what this food could do to you. And I always manage to like suck it right back down. So it's good. I always manage to get myself back in shape somewhere or the other. So by next week you see me, I'm going in better shape again. Okay, by next week or so 2 more weeks, 3 more weeks. It's going to be nice and round and plumpy and tight. More tight, you know. So yeah. Because God is good to me. I'm going to eat. I'm going to exercise. I'm going to look good. I'm going to wear my stuff, you know, just pray to God and just enjoy. And thank you guys for supporting me. Because all the good ones that support me and subscribe to me on YouTube, thank you. God bless you. You are the best. I wanted to get some balloons and to do the YouTube stuff for the subscriber. So I don't know if I'm going to do it tomorrow, but I need to go out there and do it for you guys. The balloons and stuff, I need to really do it. Because I really had it in mind, you know. And I never get to do it yet, and I think I should do it. Because I think it was special, you know. And after over 10,000 subscribers. So now we're going for 20,000. And we're going to keep going up. We're going to keep going. Okay, guys? So I thank you so much for your support, goodies, loved ones. Thank you. The ones that don't like me, I hope you can find in your heart to love me and not hate me because I'm just a human. I'm your sister, I'm your mother, I'm your auntie. I'm someone like your family. And we black people shouldn't be this way. And that's why we don't reach nowhere in life. Because when you bring another person down and think you're going up, you're just around the corner for an accident, honey. It's an accident waiting to happen for you. And I'm telling you, because what you put out is what you get. So I'm not going to put out bad right now. I'm going to put out love. I want to tell you I love you all. All the ones that hate me inside. Whatever covetousness you're bringing inside of your heart for me. Whatever the devil sent you to come to pest me. And to dismantle me for what I'm doing, from what I'm doing. I'm asking you to forgive me for hating me. I'm asking you to forgive me for being me. Because there's nothing I can do if I don't know you in person. I never met you in my life. I never live in your house. I never stole anything or borrowed anything from you for you to come and hear and try to crucify me like Jesus Christ for something I know not have. You know, people are so sad and lonely. And some of them is so untrue to themselves. They're untrue to their soul. They can't be real. They can't get in touch with reality and come buoyant with energy and feel themselves and know that, yes, I'm alive. But this energy won't last forever. But what I can do with it is uplift somebody else. I can make a fool of myself to make somebody laugh. Long as it makes somebody stay. Long as it makes somebody in the world happy. How would you feel to be in the world and you have no use to no one? No use at all but just making trouble. Then you're just of someone that need to locked away. Right? You shouldn't be in society legally trying to spoil people's love, life, and happiness. Because you're not happy. Because you don't want to open up yourself and love. Because you don't want to open yourself up to have a sense of humor and laugh and don't take anything so seriously. I should suffer the pain because you're losing out on life while I'm gaining. Why should I? You got to wake up and be yourself. My grandmother would say, wake up and smell the coffee. Okay? I am not here to hurt you. I'm here to love you. I'm here to share love with you. I'm here to share joy with you. I'm here to pray with you. I'm here to tell you I'm a believer in God with you. All right? Life is pretty short. No one knows when the end is going to be. You go bitter to bed. You're not sure you're going to wake up. You might just die bitter. Nobody want to die bitter. When God gives you a beautiful life, and it's time your journey's end, your time to move on, you should move on freely. Why make things of this earth make you so bitter? Why make things of this earth make life so hard for you? Because you're so bitter, it makes life hard for you. People who are bitter, some of them have a lot of money, and they're so bitter. You wonder, wow, if you were poor and go through the stuff like I've been through, what would you do if you're so rich and you're so bitter? See, because money doesn't make you rich in spirit. Money make you rich in this world and your fingertip. But if you're going to be rich at the end of the day and you can't find peace, you can't find joy, it's better for you to be poor and find peace within your soul than be rich and can't get a good night's sleep. That's why God made you with a soul. And that's why he can fill it with joy. You ever fill with the Holy Spirit and you feel like you have $1 million when you don't even have $1? You feel like you're icing up off the ground, floating up by yourself. Your 2 feet is not on the ground no more. And you feel like you're about to burst. But the amount of love that you feel inside, like you overcome your whole body like you're on fire. That's when you know you're living. See, you got to connect your spirit with something higher than you are. And for me, that would be God. Simple fact. I'd rather take eternal life than take a bunch of big houses on earth and big cars and all of that and go into all of that. And then when I died, I take nothing with me. I'd rather die with my soul because that's my riches. That is what I have to collect all my dividends, all my house, all my car, everything I got to collect. My soul is the key to my house. My soul is the key to heaven door. So if I give it to you, how the hell I'm going to enter? You would never able to enter because you give away the keys that God put in your hand and say, look, I give you a house. In my Father's house there are many mansions. You have everything. He gives you the key, which is your soul. You open up your heart and you love. At least try to love. Sometimes it's hard when people do a lot of stuff to you, but after a time you're going to get over it. You're going to start loving them. You're going to start laugh at them because when you realize you're in a higher dimension than they are, and when they want to keep up foolishness with you, you laugh at them because you now not just seeing through two eyes, but you also can see through the back, which is your spiritual eyes, your 2 eye, and plus your 3rd eye. You've seen somebody living, how they live, how they talk, how they go about life, and how they present themselves. That's who they're going to be. So right away, when you see a person, the way they talk or when they move, if your eyes are open up, you know exactly who the person you're dealing with. You know who you're talking with. You know what kind of person you're dealing with. How they be. Should you stay away from them? Should you not talk to them? Should you avoid them? You know all of that. Nobody has to tell you nothing. Because the Holy Spirit intellect and teach. And because you believe, you learn. You cannot not believe and expect you're going to get something done. Okay, Lord, Father, God, help me on the job. I really want the job. Father, help me, Jesus. You know me want the job. And you don't believe in a God. You just got over man last week. So you go to over man last week and bring vial. And you bring it on a job interview. And you pray to God, Lord, let me get the job. Which God are you praying to? Instead of doing the other man that you went to last week, you shouldn't have. All you have to do is to pray to God by your knee in your house and ask Him cleanly and clearly to help you. Now, after you ask God to help you, you might go on a job interview, they call you, you say, oh my God, I get a job interview right away after I'm done praying. But when you go to that job interview, they might turn you down. And the next job interview is going to come and they're going to turn you down again. And you wonder why. But when they turn you down, you come back home and you what you did. You still pray to God and you still believe in God that you're going to get a job. You're going to get through. You never stop believing because of what happened, no matter what you go through in life. You never stop believing. You never say, oh, God don't answer me, nah, help me, so this and that. No. Even when you don't see no way out. Steadfast. Don't question Him. Don't ask Him. You can't tell Him. You can't haste to Him. You can't let Him do it before the time it's going to be done. But just then they say, you know what? I don't know what's going on. I'm not getting a job. You get a phone call. And you got the job. But just not get the job is a job that served you over 7, 8 years and still have the same job. Same case. 7, 8 years, you have the same case. For every day of your life, for work, for 8 years, you have the same, until the person will die, all 10 years person dead before you get a new case. Because God want to see if you have any faith. If you have to run God agency and get the job, how much faith would you have? Not much. But your faith is, you're going to go back and forth. Let me see your heart. Let me see how much you believe in the Almighty. Say, Him greater than any doctor. Him greater than any teacher. Him greater than anything on this earth. When a doctor could come and pronounce you, and the doctor pronounced a young lady and said, the young lady said, I believe in God. Doctor, I believe in God, doc. She's 20-something years old. She said, if I should die, it's God who want to take me because I believe in God, doc. And she got a seizure, and she went into a seizure. And she died. Died after what she said. And it was sad. Because she had so much faith. The faith that she had was so powerful that you were telling the doctor that if she died, it's just her time to go. And soon after that, she went into a seizure and she died cold. You had to call her family. You had to tell them, look, she died. Take her out. She's gone. And when the family came, that girl opened her eyes and she get up. That girl get up from that sheet and she walk. The doctor himself almost died. He turned around and he was an atheist. He never believed in God. And he started believing God. He said, man, I checked this girl myself. This is impossible. Take her away to the dead place, and family come in to look at her and she get up and she'll walk. But remember what she said to him, Doc, if I died, the faith what she had was so powerful, she died and come back. Many people do. Many people do. Many people cripple and they get up and walk. But it's a faith you gotta have. So you could get up on your knees and believe that man, I'm gonna get up, God, I'm gonna make me walk. And walk. Every day you sit down there and tell yourself you can't walk, you will never walk. Every day you tell yourself, boy, I don't know, I think God is going to lift you up and you just get up and walk. You got to have the faith. And the faith where you have the Holy Spirit intellect into you and go down inside your body. Like when you take you over and you float off and go inside your body like current and wake up every bone, every muscle and set you straight. We all are sinners, but we all are seeking good lives for our ending. We all are looking for good men in our life, good food in our life, and relax our life, laugh, and joy. We are not here to war anybody. We are in the end time. Nobody now war nobody more so against sensible people. If you get locked up in a jail, go through courthouse, up and down for gun and make Satan run you around like you're mad. If you shoot and kill somebody, you must get catch, you must go to prison. And if you're trying to kill somebody, you're gonna have to pay for killing somebody. Especially an innocent person that never killed anybody for you, nor hurt anybody for you. Move, man, these things, man. You understand me? You're gonna go to prison for life. When you want to use the bathroom, somebody gonna tell you when to use the bathroom, when to this, when to that, like an animal. Just because the devil using your mind. Just because you don't realize, man, you're supposed to go take somebody out, man. This shit is not normal, you know? No, man, I'm not going, man. This shit ain't normal, dog. Cool it, man. You know, there's a life. I gotta live a life after this. My daughter gotta live a life after this. My mother gotta live a life after this. My sister gotta live a life after this. I don't want to involve with nothing like that. Never let the devil and the gun get to you, my youth. If you're gonna make it go hurt nobody. Never, me I beg you. Can you see the end of the year, it bitter? That the bitter gall you can't swallow, my youth. See, dopey film gone. You see me? You can't swallow at the end of the day. What you want to give out, it's not what you really want to get back in return, is it? But it's what you're going to get. If you give a man 10 gunshot, at 10 gunshot, you'll get back. Maybe not by the family of the person you kill, but by somebody else. Because what goes around have to travel and come back around. Learn to love. I try to give people so much chances in my life that mess me up. Because I'm just trying to be good. I'm just trying to be nice. But at the same time, I'm not going to let nobody run me over. I'm not going to let nobody rub me on them foot bottom and use me like a dog. I would never. And that's why I don't have a man in my life. And I'm not doing have a man in my life because I choose to get my life together. I'm not halfway there yet. Right? To go and pick up somebody in my life and I'm out of foolishness when I want to go to my bed, go sleep, and eat my food. I'm supposed to have somebody on my belly, I press out my food and my belly full. I can't keep my belly full because it coming out of the way. You know? Like I'm going to over Vinci boy, enough time my belly out of the way. I mean, so eat that to my belly full and I squeeze my belly. I don't like that. I like to eat my food, nobody on my belly, I squeeze my belly when you to eat my food. More relax on my food digest. Want to live that life simple. Eat, drink, pray, enjoy life, smile, you know, laugh, smile, and just be yourself. If you want to hate me because you're hurting over something, that's your problem. If you want to mad over social media or some stupidness or something, that's your problem, social media. Social media not got even with me. The social media began to Satan. And Satan own it now. And him belongs to, and God own this. And Satan own this. And the whole of it upon it. But even though I depend Satan sitting me, I still talk about God. Because at the end of the day, God still powerful than Satan. I like me I try to say. How can a demons and up with upon them sitting here? Can sick you and kill you, drop them and dead. Trust me. Think a joke. But sometimes when we see just now a lot of things. I turn on an enemy. I have no phone, I want to get into the zone. Alright? So I tell them straight. It's not everything your eyes see is gold. People look at the bigger picture of big house and car upon road and pretty clothes and drive up and down. Everybody like clothes and put on and stuff. Yes, I put on because I do my blogging and stuff. I never go down with more and stuff to dress up. I might as well wait for now. I'm comfortable with that. I'm comfortable with that, you know. I'm going to take off this thing and clean up my makeup and sit down on my plate of food and chop that down. And do the ice cream cone sitting. Find an African movie or something like for watch out. And enjoy life. Go up on YouTube and Google them. Find nice one to watch. Right now the one that watch me, it never so nice to the end of the night. It never so nice. I must find one next one. But I love it now. When I see that picture for me, 80 car itch me. I like feeling for me. But I love it now. And just enjoy life. You have your man in come home, nobody argue with him. You don't stop arguing about petty things. Woman have to argue with man about petty things. And the man live together. You look at petty things, don't argue about it. Man don't petty argue with woman about petty things, don't argue about it. Just try loving and just enjoy life. Because life can just snuff out in a minute and it's gone and that's it. You was here and he was gone. XXX was just here the other day. Love him so much, XXX. No. Just life. It's just life, man. So, pick up yourself, go on my food. And I'm going to enjoy that. I hope some word of wisdom. Enjoy your stuff. God bless you. You don't like this bread wig, so. And what's what them have? The next one up on the head. I have some bread wig, but I black them. I like them here. The twist one like. You know, God is good, right? I don't have to worry, I'm going to eat my food and lie down peaceful and put on the AC and go sleep. Peaceful and pray, peaceful. Not no sweet, so. What me say? Not no sweet, so. Trust me. Somebody will kick you off and shove your own and all ain't sitting there. You have to get up and pack up this wood up and dirty clothes and belongs to you, go wash them, jail every house and man. You catch the kind of one, you know, man. Get somebody good in your life. Then start run around, you get rid of them. You get rid of them, trust me. If your heart break down, come over here now, because I fix broken heart. You have to go to Jesus. May Jesus fix your broken heart. Me not ever fix broken heart. But they have to tell about wisdom and the love of God. Go to God if your heart broken and make you fix it. Because I'm a surgeon. Me can't do that. Me a surgeon. Me can't do that. You understand me? Me a surgeon. Me can't do that at all. Me a surgeon at all. Some girl fi stop come and talk about monkey when I need you right now. And just low me alone. And go along. Wouldn't redundant. Girl, your cushy stink. Girl, your cushy stink. Girl, your cushy stink. Cushy them say, I don't know. Love me and go on. Born no business. Make God please. Make God rain. Please. Make God rain. Them bad men, you see? Them just bad men and bun them. Bad men. Look how me look nice. And bad man and bun them. Through Jesus have bless me. Father have bless me. Some of them not get no bless. Island powder and still order up your man. I stress them out in the night, yeah. When I forgot pay the rent and still pay them up your man. What a disgrace. More white and more food. What a disgrace. What a disgrace. I still have to pay your up your man. And I pay the rent it, you know. Oh, yeah, man, and yam them out. Can you all saggy? Lord, forgive us. We know not what we do. Whole saggy, like when grown up come out of hole for summertime, for sure, so someone soon come. For them, someone never come. Jesus help us all. Me talk to them before me go name the little bit clear. Goody, good night. Allah. Si, Sike. Big up yourself. Yes. The eater active, me know me can see your eye. I see you look up under your mother when your mother take man. I see you look up under your mother. Why you look up on your mother like that for? Like, you look up on your mother like bad mind active. Come off ya. And your mama. Father, forgive me. I don't want to sin tonight. No, 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 no. No, no. One time. You little nasty parasites. One time. I love you though. I love you. Yes, I do. I love you. Mwah. I do love you. I do. You know, nonsense sometimes make you guys happy. Just the joy and stuff. But I love you guys. You know that. Campbell, pick up yourself. Campbell. Anita Campbell. Powell. What are you doing? Impress, eh? Me not listen to them. Me I listen to the Lord. Me I listen to the Lord. Hello. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I really, really love you. When I relax now, I try to calm the nerves. So I just take it easy so you can calm. Calm your nerve. Your heart been broken so much time. What you should do? Your heart been broken so many times. So tell me what to do. What kind of person are you? Why your heart getting broken? Are you a man? Are you a woman? What are you doing wrong? Are you a clingy person, like a baby type person? Don't always need attention? Because if you're like a person that like a woman and then you want to be around her all the time and be her all the time, she's not going to like that. Some women don't like it because it become too much, so the relationship start to get sour. You overdrowned it, the relationship. I don't know, and if he's a woman, then see, I don't know why. What happened? I get my heart broken a lot of time too, but people are just, sometimes you're too kind and people just use you. And the next time, maybe you're just too clingy or whatever, or whatever, I don't know. But I see you look like a Spanish guy. Are you a Spanish guy? I don't see a picture, just in my spirit. Because I can't see the picture here, but in my spirit, it seems like it's a Spanish guy, and so on. Yeah, you mustn't drink alcohol, okay? You mustn't drink. Or this a woman and you're married to a Spanish man, because I'm seeing somebody Spanish. Who got braids in their hair? Black braids, dark skin. No, honey, I'm not the devil. I'm a descendant from Jesus Christ, the living God. I'm a messenger, honey. I eat my food and I pass you a message. These damn lash look like they're all the way down here. Yes, love. Yes, my dear. I love you too. God bless you too. Yeah, I love you too. God bless you. Every time I put a trap, they're always falling in. Hi. Oh, you speak English today? Harbeck, how you doing? God bless you. Salam, Malcolm. Malcolm, salam. Salam, Malcolm. Malcolm, salam. Somebody was saying hi to me and I said hi because it's right English. So I'm going to be appropriate. Somebody not writing a whole bunch of stuff is not English, then I'm going to block them. If a person's writing English, I'm not going to block them. Yes, and salam, Malcolm, Malcolm, salam. They're not sleeping is because I'm being blocked every second I'm blocking. That's why. Every time I'm sitting here talking to you guys, what do you think I'm doing? It takes a lot to do it, but I have to. Not like I want to, but it's become unbearable. I have to do it. People don't respect people anymore. I respect people's page anymore. They could have your page and somebody go over there doing all this stuff. And some of these bitches are the same black bitches here over here. God forgive me. They are the ones that go and invite them over here. And I'm pretty sure that Aiden bitch or someone of them is still on this line here right now. Or some guy or somebody who doing it is on the line. They invite them in and then they come after or come and hang out and act like they didn't do it. Just being bad mind. But that's not going to stop me because with God, everything is everything. Trust me. And with God, me never lose. Me sure of that. Me sure of that with God, me never lose. And send them over here from where they come destroy my line. Because they try to destroy my line. I try to destroy me, but God, I hold me up. So the best thing is to do now is go over there now and over their stinking body. Them big old stretch out body. And go show the man them and tell him and send me name. You know? They go to stretch out them try and take out picture and take picture from sites. And go to walk my picture from sites and different sitting. And take it now and send go get the man them with a name on it. So when they send that to the man them now, or them send themselves or whatever, them put my name. And then now, or they go to have a page because the last time they had a page like my page, they had it smelly and it wasn't me. And when they done, them send those things now to these guys. Now the guys them come over here now and think of me and send it. That time I have no idea about these things. So maybe they will come over here and start calling me slut and all kind of something poor. Me never said nothing. That time I know me said nothing. Because I see them come over and call me slut and this and that. And I say, what the hell? You know, but I know me send them anything. So that means that somebody I do it. And it's somebody just like me tell you. Somebody right around here doing that. And them do that just to mess up my thing. You see me? They're just bad mind and envy. That's all it is. But God is good. And with God's help, it's all good. I'll get ready to eat up my food. I call later. I like to feel late, but I'm going to eat. I'll wait a while for me can digest my food before I go to bed. Okay? So I'm along with the guys. Tomorrow, keep God first. Keep your punches up. Bitch, don't let me smash you. I tell you, bitch. God forgive me. Hey, boy. I tell you. See me? Isn't it, dog? Yeah. Yeah. I remember saying the foot never strong enough. Remember saying them? Never saying them, I'm kicking them. I'm saying them. This way. Up. Kick. Up. Kick off your face, not good. Easy, not kick off your face like. Hammer in hustle. Hammer. I live at black belt. Yeah? Self-defense in the street. I live at black belt. Fence in the street. Exercises. Oh, man. So you do the thing, man. Oh. Oh, come on now, girl, get up. Oh, damn it. All age is a bitch. And, you know, and it will come up. It will come up. It will, see? Let me come right up. Come right up. You have to do it all the time. So, I'm going to eat and rest coming. I want to start come back down again. And make sure I get up early morning to do the workout here. So I'm going to go take care of myself. This belly, come on go. Time for food going to eat so it cry. So. But why wouldn't the camera my belly look so big on the camera? It like way not so big in real life. And even people see me in real life like Olivet, The camera really make it look big because on my face so small and my head so small. Small. My face so small and my head and then with the camera, make it say it's a small little hole. You pick me up big by saying look, I look big. Look how this look big. To me it look big. But if you see it on the real life, this isn't even big like what it look there. Strange, right now it looks so flat, but in the camera it looks so big. Strange. Yeah, my body and the back even look better, look bigger with the camera show. The back part not show big enough like what the camera show it. The back part even smaller, because the back part bigger and the front smaller. But on this it look different. You're so smaller and you're so bigger. Now the back look small. But in real life the back bigger. I'm telling you, way bigger. But I'm not fun to have earthly stuff. You know? God give me shape, God give me beauty. So when I call me ugly, I have to show it off sometime. Because when I talk about ugly, I don't know what kind of beauty they talk about them have. If I the paint them put on their face, I call beautiful. Because they put on the paint and they lash them. If I that I call beauty. Beauty come naturally. Beauty way in your heart, skin deep. If I that I call beautiful, that's not beautiful. Right now I'm going to wash off and scrub off this thing off of my face. I could never sleep or feel good. I'm so glad say done, so I can go take you off now. So I'm not going to talk about you're not beautiful and because you're this and that. I'm not going to about the business. So I'm beautiful, and nothing I go on for no. No beautiful make man shubbing all about. And I still spend the money for an angry man. I don't have to pay a man for them body, of course. You don't know that. I'm not sit down and ball over them and beg them to come and beg them to come and beg them to come and beg them to come. I don't have time for them something there. I try to praise God and make my way clear. So if turn the ball, drop and bust out the ceiling and drop in here. I made them just travel on. Because I know I'm not say me afraid pandit, you know. But when all me been through life and what my weakness and what me see, if you're not trying to live right, no one try to make your life right now, you don't do nothing. If you have to get up every day and I think about how much rum you go drink, how much party and this and that, and that's all for your mind, and I think about nothing else, you don't know where you go. No way you know where you go. Trust me, I'm true, man. Nobody saying that you can't enjoy yourself and go on like a party, you know. But every weekend, so every day, so every minute you do up a rum, stink a rum. So when I walk past you, they smell like a rum of them perfume. Come like a rum of them perfume. That's too much. You know, so whatever I say, don't have to vex. Pick up on yourself, I love you, I'm going to protect you. I'm going to protect you, lad. I'm not trying to do nothing wrong. You know what I mean? I'm not trying to do nothing else wrong, you know. John, I love her tonight, though. I do it, and I remember me here, no, I do it, when remember they throw long John, remember say, remember elevate, oh, one for elevate too, you know what I mean? Praise be to the Lord. Enjoy our life. That's one of the run about, I mean, a girl, name out to the money. Run about, I mean, a man, name out to the money. Find somebody good and live your life. You enjoy it better. Buy good food, put it in your house. Spend time and bake a little cake and make a good food. I don't care who wants to make craving. Spend time and make a good food. I'm going to want my food, I'm going to eat my food now. Because you see, oh no, it's problem. Tomorrow, I love you, no. You know what I mean? Eat your good food. Buy your good stuff to make fish good. You know, if you don't red meat, but buy your fish and you sit in them and bring them to your house and cook up. So you take time with the spelt flour. The spelt flour and bake a cake them. And you like sit in them, make your cornbread, make it sit in your house. You know, nice in your kitchen, ready to go. Get your oil, all the something you use, get a grapeseed oil, all the season and something. You get time, you cut up the pepper them. Cut up the scallion and the thyme and the something, then put them in one plastic container. So when you're ready for going to the kitchen, you have to cook anything. You have fish, you season up this fish, you have to cook for tomorrow from tonight. Or the chicken from tonight. And you put it in the fridge in one plastic container. You see, when you come home tomorrow, if you have to go work or when you come in from work, you can do just like what the Chinese them do and better than what the Chinese them do. Once you have everything set up like that, once you go to the kitchen, you dash the pot on the fire. You dash the oil in the pot. And you take out the fish where you have seasoned already. 1, 2, 3 in the pot of fry. 1, 2, 3, you don't cook up something in the pot. So you know water where you look about. Your couscous, your potato where you look about. Cut up a vegetable. You don't cook. In about 20 minutes or so, you don't cook long time and bathe and not change your clothes. As some do it nowadays, I don't waste time no for cook, no for this and no for that no more. Something lighter, make you manage, you know, healthy. You know what I mean? And that's it. Yes, Rob, big up yourself. Family, big up yourself. He's a good person, man. I don't disrespect people. I try to show everybody love, man. Trust me. Loving someone 100% is a gamble that you usually end up with your heart, with your hurt. Well, yeah, well, it depends on who you love. Like I said, depends on who you love, man. You gotta look for somebody who look in the same way you're looking to go and take some time to know the person. You can't just jump up with somebody in 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. It take a while to know somebody, know them family, know what they like, what kind of person I'm like, and decide if you want to be with them. But if I don't know the person like and they're far from you, and then call it sometime and come over, or you go over and meet up on a hotel or want to go hang out, and say a girlfriend I expect so that I go somewhere you know the person fully. When they fully get an apartment, and then you live in night now until Africa live with you, you get to find out who she is. And you get mad now because you realize she was a cheater, she was not a good person or whatever. Because you never have no time to get to know her. So it's good to know a person, know them parents, see them, see them moving. You will know, you can't pick sense out of nonsense. And take a time with that person and see the person you love. If the person love you, you will know. Some people don't use love and use the spirit tech. They like you and things. But now, some people don't love like that no more. But the best thing is to do is to find love. Because running all boat and seeing a record for settle down. Why you wait for settle down? Why you waiting on to settle down? If you find somebody good in your life, you can't tell them you're ready to settle down. Settle down. And that God I give you, maybe God not going to give you the next one. You know what I mean? Stop going like a uno, God and uno run everything. You find somebody who good, you settle down. One more you could have what you look for. Someone who has somebody to settle down with and instead of settle down, I'm not ready to settle down, want to go on with somebody else. And somebody else going to go on there with fool, you know. When you end up with no heart broke, when you end up losing all no money, when you end up in all kind of mix up and fight and police and court business, just because you didn't want to settle down with the person at first, you have to go out there and you end up in a trouble. Just because of stupidness. You think that Satan are going to make you do the right thing and he want it to be there? No. He want you to break up and walk out. Because he want you to go somewhere else. He want your life to be serving and be a slave. So your husband get in an argument, quick time you want to run out left you, quick time you don't want to run out left him. That's the plan of the devil. Because if you're two unity together, cook and eat and enjoy your life together and pray to God. Him not go like that. He want to know war and he want to know kill. He want misery. He must be served. You understand what I'm saying? So it's different like a thing. It's everywhere you go in life, everything you do in life, it coming at you. For you wake up in the morning in your house, somebody call up on your phone, you go to road, somebody a mess with you. The devil everywhere mess with you and people a mess with you. When you go out and come back in, you have to thank God you make it out and come back home alive. These are the days we live in now, and no joke thing. These are the days where people just take your life even for $1 for 50 cents, or even for nothing at all, can they just look fine like you? So you got to have shield because you live in a glass house. And God is your shield. Me and a Christian. But I got to rise in faith. I got to rise and me tell no me feel. I'm in a business, me feel, me cuss no ass. No mean say me not love God. Me never tell no say me baptized. Me never tell no say me want a church. So no can't come fucking tell me say me not right for cuss. And me a talk about God and me a cuss. If me want to do that, me cuss. Because some are hypocrites and are no good. Hypocrites. I don't like to be real. Someone don't suck much man. I want the throat stretch out. And I first one run for come tell me say me ugly. And I see the big garter around the throat swell out. God done a punishment already, no throat swell out. You go doctor say you have garter from where you never know. You know, when I tell someone something you don't understand. Just like when I tell them say the Red Bull a lot of the energy drink them. When you drink them, you used to drink them. Used to drink a lot of Red Bull back in the days. A lot of energy drink. Back when I used to be a dancer. Make sure me have power up on stage. And that was a part of my liver collapse time where they kill me. Red Bull and all them energy drink and they drink and make you cancer in your body. All tonight me that watch a guy who just died, the body be the guy who died of cancer from the energy drink them. Kill him. And drink 2 like every 2 hours or something. And develop cancer. Because I might eat all the French fry and all the fast food and to make it swell up big. with all the stuff them, and then the energy drink are where really hurt him. Them find the studies I eat. You know what I mean? Eat a good food and get your natural energy in your body. Stop drinking alcohol and make you weak. You know, no energy then for go work a morning time. You drink alcohol for the whole weekend of hangover and all and same thing there. When you don't know you get energy drink, for drink out for your energy and poison yourself. Wake up and see that the Lord is coming from the world. Wake up and smell the coffee and get together with your partner. If you're single, stay together till God sends somebody. You don't have to run for get nobody. Turn to yourself until somebody good come. Now what a broke connect for nobody. A hot boy, a hot girl. We have your AIDS. Because they're so hot and pretty. The devil send them out for come kill you. Figure your death sentence. Then now tell us they come for come kill you because they're pretty. And when they don't wind up in your body, don't you realize you're HIV positive or some shit. It's out there everywhere. Me thank God me never end up that way. Thank God you have mercy upon me. Right? So me never end up that way. And me thank God every day. And that's why me not going to stop talk. And nobody not going to close my mouth. Because there's somebody out there need to hear this. Once you can find food and clothes and out the door, humble to God. Humble and make him lead your way. Don't go up and down and try to get this and I get that. Because you see a friend of this, you see a friend of that. You don't know what them do for it. You don't know when them sell them soul in the dark. And you see them with a whole heap of things. And they don't sell out them soul and you don't sell your soul yet. And you run your mouth water and I get mad and I jealous and a bad mind over what them have. You don't know what they go to get it. You don't know what they do to get it and where they go to get it. Be satisfied with your have until better come. No for say she don't have this, she has celebrity, and look upon her, me see out the road. Sometimes I walk out the road, me never look like this today, me upon her walk out the road. If I look up some old pants, I want to sit in the whole day today. And look me have good clothes in the house, I put on when I even wear it. Whole heap. Look, I just saw me stay. Because me do a show now, see and enjoy me and like me have on and thing, you know. For uno. Me not out there way on the street for look man. Me not go out there put on it because a man me look. I put on it for uno and talk with nothing and me gone. I love everybody. Me not out there look flesh. Me not out there seek the flesh. Because that can't do nothing for me right now if you're not a man of God. Because if you're not a man of God, you got to be the man of devil. Either one or two street, you know. Or one or two. So you tell me. So all who want to come feed upon my flesh and suck upon my blood like vampire. The Lord is my shepherd and I shall not want. And yea, do I walk to the valley of shadow of death, but I will never, and I will never be afraid. And I cannot be afraid. Because God is with me. Take that, sleep with that, wake up, try to look up to the sky. It's not every day you're going to have a president. It's not every day you're going to have Democrat and Republican. It's going to be a day when it's only Jesus Christ himself. It's not every day you're going to have the whole world running like this. It's not every day you're going to have politician honey. It's not every day you're going to have big gun killing innocent people. It's not every day you're going to can poison people. It's not every day you can get up and build war against people. Accuse people and kill them innocently. He's going to have to come. God made this world. It belongs to him. And he's going to come back for what he has made. And it's not you, not me, not anyone can stop him. No bullet, no grenade, no nothing. When it's time for him to come, he's going to come. Get ready. God bless you. Have a good night. If you can find peace. Without peace, you can't sleep good and you can't find good night. So you're going to left from this page and go to somebody's page and cuss them. And go to next somebody's page and cuss them. And one next somebody's page and cuss them. Because devil will ride you. But guess what? I'm going to wash off all this devil stuff. Feel clean. Probably jump back in the shower again because I sweat and now so I feel fresh. And eat my food and go sleep. Wake up a morning, take out them sheet in the corner that's up on the ground in the bag. Laundry bag and go wash them. Alright? God be with you. Say your prayers. And I love you. When I'm gone, out of this world, and I won't be here no more, I hope this video will make sense for someone. To know that everything is man-made on here. But God make the hurt. And trust me, no one can stop him from coming. God bless you.